Alright, EV fam, let's talk about something hotter than the sun in Texas, your electric vehicle in the middle of summer. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and today we're diving headfirst into EV thermal management, aka how your car keeps its cool when it feels like the world outside is basically lava. Now, let me paint you a picture. It's July. You jump into your shiny EV, ready for a smooth, eco-friendly cruise, but bam! The seat's hotter than your grandma's pressure cooker. You hit the start button and suddenly you're auditioning for Survivor Car Edition. But here's the thing, unlike regular cars, EVs are like that friend who can't handle spicy food. Heat? Not their BFF. That battery pack under your feet? It hates extreme temps. Too hot and your range drops faster than my motivation on Monday mornings. Even your charging speed slows down. You ever try charging your phone in the sun? Yeah, your EV feels that pain, times 100. So how do EVs beat the summer sizzle? It's all about smart thermal management. Picture tiny robot lifeguards inside your car, desperately trying to keep everything cool. They use coolant, fans, sometimes even mini heat pumps. It's like a pool party for your battery, every drive. If your EV's thermal management system is on point, your ride stays efficient, safe, and most importantly, your battery lasts longer. Now I know what you're thinking. Do I really need to care? Can't I just crank the AC and blast some Taylor Swift? Sure, but remember, every degree your battery works harder, it's losing precious juice. So, park in the shade, precondition your car while it's still plugged in, and check your tire pressure. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. And hey, if you ever see a warning light that looks like a thermometer having a meltdown, don't just ignore it. That's your EV's way of screaming for help. Get it checked out, or you might end up with a glorified golf cart for the rest of summer. So, next time the sun's out and you're ready to roll, remember, your EV's thermal management isn't just some nerdy tech. It's the difference between a cool ride and a meltdown. Stay cool, drive smarter, and let's keep those batteries chill. Literally. If you found this helpful, or just enjoyed my suffering, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me your hottest EV summer story in the comments. Catch you next time, and remember, keep your EV cooler than your iced coffee.